Hello guys, kumusta kayo? Good morning! Good morning everyone! Mustang morning yun dyan guys? I hope you had a good day. Ang init naman. Super, mainit pa guys. So how are you today guys? Kumustang morning nyo? I hope your morning you have a good day. And good morning everyone. Ito tayo guys. Nako, ito pa tayo guys for today's video. Ayan. Kakainom pa lang natin ng mainit. So yun guys, medyo na busy pa tayo eh. Super init. So yun lang guys. Ang update natin. Yan yung kasama ko guys. Oh, halika. You come here. Or you go here. You see. Here, oh, dyan. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Kasama ko guys. Ayan si Miming. Hala. Uy, you move there. You move. So guys. Ayun si Miming. Yan ang morning namin guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching us. Have a blessed day everyone. And keep safe. Bye. See you next guys.